NAIA personnel welcomes the projected upgrade of the NAIA. They say it will make NAIA at par with airports in other countries. George Bandola has added details.
Airport managers believe that the country's status in the aviation industry will finally be at par with other countries once the 74.6 billion peso Ninoy Aquino International Airport upgrade has finished. NAIA upgrade is one among the 9 public-private partnership endeavors that the President has given the go signal. In doing so, they are fully supportive of the changes that is seen to be positive even among the airport personnel.
Ito naman yung mga nakatalaga dito sa ating mga paliparan ay nandyan na based on experience, matatagal na rin sila, alam nilang trabaho, capable naman sila. It's just a matter of upgrading the facilities sa ating NAIA terminals, kagaya po sa ating NAIA Terminal 2. Masikip na po yan dahil it was designed for a domestic terminal. Nakikita po natin ng expansion dito sa may bandang Nayong Pilipino, kailangan po natin magtayo ng annex terminal.
Kami ay sumusuporta definitely sa plataforma ng gobyernong ito to bring change into the country because it's about time that we really bring change, no? Ang move na ito ay patungo lamang sa ikabubuti ng ating bansa at ng ating mga kababayan. Because we believe that our people are really capable of doing their jobs very well.
Pending the massive scale upgrade, the Manila International Airport Authority has already enhanced some of its services. This includes improvement of Wi-Fi or the wireless internet service, CCTVs, regular taxis can now ply the airport route, airline companies have started taking care of the airport toilets, and in Terminal 1, a new well-wishers lounge will soon be opened.
Ito po ay mga proyektong na pinatupad ngayon pa lang na first 3 months ng ating bagong administrasyon. Ito po ay maliliit na hakbang patungo doon sa malaking pangarap natin na at least ma-achieve naman natin yung inaasam-asam natin na ma-improve naman ang ating serbisyo publiko when it comes to international airports.
The supposed 74.6 billion peso NAIA upgrade, which will be bidded out to private consortiums, will primarily focus on the operation and maintenance of the airport. For the PTV News, George Bandola.